We all know teenagers. They're practically invincible, right? Their energy is boundless, and they seem to bounce back from anything. Their metabolism is a furnace, burning through calories like there's no tomorrow. But here's the thing. Even teenagers need a little help sometimes, especially when it comes to their liver and gut health. It's not all fun and games. Let's face it, the typical teenage diet isn't exactly a recipe for digestive bliss. Processed foods, sugary drinks, and snacks loaded with empty calories, and a general lack of veggies can take a toll on even the strongest digestive system. It's a recipe for trouble. And when your liver and intestines aren't happy, you're not going to feel your best either. Think about it. You might feel sluggish, tired, or just off. Your liver is like a superhero filter, detoxifying your blood and processing nutrients. It's working hard to keep you healthy. And your intestines? They're responsible for absorbing all the good stuff from your food. Pretty important jobs, right? Without them, your body wouldn't get the nutrients it needs. So what's a teenager to do? How can they support their liver and gut health in a world full of tempting junk food? Well, that's where the power of green smoothies comes in. Packed with nutrients, they're a delicious way to give your body what it needs.
It's true. As a parent, I've seen firsthand how challenging it can be to get teenagers to eat healthy. They're always on the go and often reach for the easiest option. But green smoothies? They've been a game changer. They're quick, easy, and packed with nutrients. Plus, they taste great, so teenagers actually enjoy drinking them. It's a win-win. They get the nutrients they need, and you get the peace of mind knowing they're making healthier choices.
Imagine a drink so packed with nutrients, so vibrant and delicious, that it could actually make your liver and intestines do a happy dance. That's the power of a well-crafted green smoothie. Now I know what you might be thinking. Green smoothie? But that sounds healthy. And you know what? It is. But that doesn't mean it can't be delicious too. Green smoothies are like the Trojan horse of the health world. They sneak in a ton of fruits, vegetables, and other good-for-you ingredients in a way that's actually enjoyable to consume. And the best part? You can customize them to your liking. Not all green smoothies are created equal. To really give your liver and intestines the VIP treatment, you need to choose ingredients that are up to the task. Here are a few of my favorites that not only taste great, but also pack a powerful nutritional punch. These ingredients will ensure your smoothie is not just a tasty treat, but a health-boosting elixir.
Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and romaine are nutritional powerhouses packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support liver detoxification and healthy digestion. These greens are also high in chlorophyll, which helps to cleanse your blood and boost your energy levels. Including a variety of leafy greens in your smoothie can provide a broad spectrum of nutrients that your body needs. Berries such as blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are bursting with antioxidants and fiber, helping to protect your liver from damage and promote regular bowel movements. These vibrant fruits are also low in calories and high in vitamins, making them an excellent addition to any smoothie. Their natural sweetness can help balance the flavors of the greens, making your smoothie more palatable. Don't be afraid to add some healthy fats. Avocado is rich in glutathione, a powerful antioxidant that helps your liver do its job. The creamy texture of avocado also adds a satisfying richness to your smoothie, making it more filling and delicious. Healthy fats are essential for absorbing fat-soluble vitamins, so adding avocado can enhance the nutritional value of your drink. And let's not forget flax seeds or chia seeds. These tiny seeds are nutritional giants, providing fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, and lignans, which can help promote a healthy gut microbiome. The fiber in these seeds aids in digestion and helps keep you feeling full longer. Omega-3 fatty acids are crucial for reducing inflammation and supporting brain health. Adding a spoonful of these seeds to your smoothie can significantly boost its health benefits.
Let me tell you about Sarah, a teenager who was struggling with digestive issues. She was constantly bloated, tired, and just didn't feel her best. Every day was a challenge, and she found it hard to keep up with her schoolwork and social life. After incorporating a daily green smoothie into her routine, which was packed with fresh fruits and vegetables, Sarah noticed a dramatic difference. Her energy levels soared, her digestion improved, and she finally felt like her old self again. She was able to participate in activities she loved without feeling exhausted. Sarah's story is a testament to the power of simple dietary changes. By making a small adjustment to her diet and adding a nutrient-rich green smoothie to her day, she experienced a significant transformation. She was able to support her liver and gut health, which are crucial for overall wellness, and this had a ripple effect on her overall well-being. Her mood improved, and she felt more positive and motivated.
I couldn't believe how much better I felt. It was like a complete turnaround. It was like night and day. I had more energy, and I could finally enjoy my favorite activities again. My stomach didn't hurt anymore, and I no longer felt the constant discomfort that used to plague me. And I just felt happier. It was amazing to see how a simple change could make such a big difference.
As a parent, seeing Sarah's transformation was incredible. It was like watching her come back to life. It just goes to show how important it is to pay attention to what we're putting into our bodies. Small changes can lead to big improvements in health and happiness.
Section 5. The Ultimate Green Smoothie Recipe. A step-by-step guide. Ready to whip up your own liver-loving, gut-happy green smoothie? Here's my go-to recipe. First, the ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of leafy greens like spinach, kale, or romaine. Then, half a cup of frozen berries. Blueberries, strawberries, or raspberries work great. Next, 1/4 of an avocado. Add 1 tablespoon of flax seeds or chia seeds. And finally, 1 cup of water or unsweetened almond milk. Now, for the instructions. Number 1. Combine all the ingredients in a high-speed blender. Number 2. Blend until smooth and creamy. And number 3. Pour into a glass and enjoy immediately. It's that easy. A nutritious, delicious smoothie that supports both your liver and gut health. Cheers to your health. Cheers to your... Section 6. Deconstructing the goodness. Ingredient benefits. Let's break down the health benefits of each ingredient in this supercharged smoothie.
Leafy greens are packed with vitamins A, C, and K, as well as folate and fiber. They support liver detoxification and promote healthy digestion. Berries, rich in antioxidants and fiber, help protect your liver from damage and promote regular bowel movements. Avocado is a good source of healthy fats and provides glutathione, a powerful antioxidant that supports liver function. Flax seeds or chia seeds are nutritional powerhouses providing fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, and lignans, which can help promote a healthy gut microbiome. And finally, water or unsweetened almond milk provides hydration and helps blend the ingredients together smoothly.
Section 7. Unleash your inner teenager. Expected health benefits. So, what can you expect after adding this green smoothie to your daily routine?
Well, for starters, you might just find yourself bouncing off the walls with newfound energy. But more importantly, you'll be giving your liver and intestines the support they need to function at their best. This can lead to improved digestion and regularity, increased energy levels, reduced bloating and discomfort, enhanced detoxification, a stronger immune system, and a happier, healthier you.
Section 8. Join the green smoothie revolution. Ready to experience the transformative power of green smoothies for yourself? I encourage you to give this recipe a try and see how it makes you feel. You can even get creative and experiment with different ingredients to find your perfect blend. And don't forget to share your smoothie success stories. Leave a comment below and let me know how this green smoothie has impacted your life. Section 9. A final word from Dr. Greger. Remember, taking care of your liver and gut health is essential for overall well-being, no matter your age.
By incorporating nutrient-rich foods like green smoothies into your diet, you're making a powerful investment in your present and future health. So go ahead, raise a glass to your health and enjoy the delicious journey.